Took apart some welding leads tonight. Screw it, I'll show you guys. That's out of 2 welding leads. Around what, 5 pounds? But I wanted to show you guys quick what it looks like and feels like when you pull this out of this tube. Like, I got the liner out. There's an inner tube for the gas to go through, which actually the liner goes in this. And then the gas goes through that and the wire goes through this liner. And yeah, just outer coating, handle. Yeah, watch this. Like there's no feeling like pulling wire out of this tubing. Good.